Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Lightroom for e-commerce photography presets step by step clearly. To download Lightroom for e-commerce photography presets, first, ensure your device is compatible with the software. Visit the official Adobe website. Navigate to the Lightroom section. Select the version of Lightroom you need, such as Lightroom CC or Lightroom Classic. Choose your desired subscription plan, which may include monthly or annual payments. Click on the Start Free Trial or Buy Now button. If you are creating an account, fill in the required information, including your email and password. Review the terms and conditions, then proceed to accept them. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the Adobe website and log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, locate the download link for Lightroom. Click on the download button to begin the installation process. Depending on your browser, the download may begin automatically, or you may be prompted to save the installation file. Locate the downloaded file, usually found in the Downloads folder on your computer. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Lightroom on your device. Once installed, launch Lightroom by clicking on its icon. Sign in with the same Adobe account you used to download the software. Now that Lightroom is installed, you can begin downloading e-commerce photography presets. Visit reputable websites that offer Lightroom presets for e-commerce photography. Choose the presets you want to download and click on the download link for each. Once downloaded, locate the preset files on your computer. Open Lightroom and go to the Develop module. Find the Presets panel on the left side of the screen. Right-click in the Presets panel and select Import. Navigate to the location where you saved the preset files. Select the preset files and click Import to load them into Lightroom. Your e-commerce photography presets are now ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.